This plugin here is called Antares' Autotune Soundsoap. Now this is included in the Ultimate Autotune Unlimited, which is their subscription-based service for those plugins to be able to have everything, whether it be a vinyl, maybe you do guitar recording and you hear like in there, or your vocals like I'm going to show you in this video instance. Now we have the ability to clean vocals with their subscription bundle. All right, so let me go ahead and just turn off the plugin right here. I know I could have just done it like this, right? Oops. But I'm going to hit play and you're going to hear the noise in this track.
Hey, bounce with me, canal time with me.
But definitely in the beginning you hear obviously the noise. Right there. What we want to do is highlight this. I'm going to hit Alt to turn off the snap, right click, and drag to get this noise. And I'm going to hit play. There you go. Now we have that noise profile there. What we would want to do is, when this is activated, obviously, we're going to want to just press the learn button. Oh, well, while it's playing. Let it loop, just turn that off. Click the learn button. And just like that, it learned the noise. So from there, we could go ahead and play the whole song, or at least a section of it, which I'll do here. Oh, by the way, yes, because we are doing a real-time thing, we do have latency. In fact, 200 latency milliseconds, and I hate latency. That's why I'm going to show you how I'm going to export it. But let's go ahead and hit play, and I'm going to activate this button that says noise only, so we can hear only the noise of the sound that we are removing. So it's not bad, but let's turn around the noise and play around with it. This is good. We don't want that. We don't want that sound, because that's gonna eat away from the vocal. So right here is a good amount threshold. Let's go ahead and reduce more and see. Go all the way up. Awesome. Now I'm gonna take off the noise off so we can hear this section without the noise.
Me, canal time with me, women so. Hey, bounce with me, canal time with me, women so. Hey,
I'm gonna do an A-B on and off with this.
hey, 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 bounce with me, canal time with me, women so. Hey, bounce with me, canal time with me, women so. Hey, bounce with me, canal.
So you can see how it does eat away at the noise in the sound. You can hear in the background.
They used to grind to me, just look around, you see.
Cool. So it does remove those small little noises in the background that you wouldn't want to have in your song. Next up, let's go ahead and just do a little bit of enhancement, just to get the brighter side up a little.
Around, you see. They used to grind to me, just look around, you see. They used to grind to me, just look around, you see. They used to grind to me, just look around, you see. They used to grind to me, just look around, you see. They used to grind to me, just look around, you see. They used to grind to me.
All right, I like it there.
Canal time with me, women surrounding me. Canal time with me, women surrounding me. Canal time with me, women surrounding me. Canal time with me, women surrounding me.
So you can see how the harshness removes. This de-esser is really, really good. I ain't gonna front. I usually use sibilants with waves, but I think I'll do de-essing with Soundsoap before I start, applying effects, because this is a good one. All that's left is to go ahead and just export these or have these all replaced. That way we keep the denoised tracks of everything when we don't have to have this plugin active or the latency active. Plus, I don't want to copy this plugin like 16 times. That might eat away at our latency and make a whole bunch of mess. So what I have to do now is go ahead and highlight all these right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just, for the sake of it, right click and then auto name these tracks right here. But I am going to go ahead and right click the track right here, go to consolidate tracks from song start, because that's how they all start. I should have fixed the tempo first, but that's okay. We're gonna want to make sure the insert effects is activated, otherwise we're gonna do this for nothing. And all that's left is just to go ahead and hit start. So they all finished consolidating. They kind of look the same, don't they? You can see, of course, we got a timing difference with that latency crap. So that's always an issue. So what we can do is take all of the new tracks by doing this. Highlighting all the new ones. The new ones are all active, by the way. The muted ones are the originals. What I am going to do is trim off the beginning bar. And I will go ahead and, well, line it up. There you go. Back to normal, first off. Then we could just go ahead and drag that there so it kind of brick walls it.
Hey, 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 hey.
So you could hear that there is definitely a higher crisp that has to deal with the enhancement that we did. It could change. I could have reduced it some. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All that's left is to delete the old takes, and you are latency free again, but you are also clean with all the vocals. That was Antares' Autotune Soundsoap plugin. Let me know what you guys and girls think about it, and does this method feel like it will be easier or more comprehensible? No, it's more comfortable. There you go. Is it more comfortable using this or using the Edison for the de-essing method? I would love to hear your responses in the comment section below. What I also would love is to see you hit that thumbs up to support your boy. But yes, this is Antares Autotune's Soundsoap. Thank you guys and girls for watching this video, and I will see you guys and girls on the next one. Peace. I'm out. And please have yourselves a damn good one.